Now let's see what are the requirements or what is the services that are offered by depositories. So through a system of paperless securities, depositories have made the life easy not only for the investors but also for other institutions like stock exchanges, clearinghouse, stockbroking firms, equity issuing companies, the companies which are actually issuing its equities, share transfer agents who transfer the ownership of share from one person to another person. So dematerialization is a process through which we convert the securities which are into the paper form into a paperless form. That's dematerialization. And the account that is now open for stock trading is known as demat account. The word has come from dematerialization account, where in demat account all the shares that you own will be credited in your demat account, but there will be nothing in physical form. So everything has been dematerialized, and this activity is done by depository participants. Other services that are offered by depository are maintenance of accounts of investors, dematerialization and rematerialization of shares, settlement of market transactions through the release and receipt of securities in the investor's account, off market transfers, inter-depository transfers, since there are two or more depositories, if the transfer is to be made between them or among them, distribution of non-financial benefits from corporates to its shareholders, nomination facilities enabling the investors to nominate someone as the nominee for where the ownership would be transferred from one shareholder to its nominee. Transmission of shares, hypothecation of dematerialized securities for a bank loan, or freezing of account to protect one's holding when he is temporarily out of the scene. So these are some of the services that are offered by depositories.